Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can type in Korean text in iPhone. So here you just need to open the settings. Before you type into the Korean language, make sure that you already have the Korean keyboard on your iPhone. How to get the Korean keyboard? Open your settings, go click this general, and scrolling down until you got the keyboard option, and then you just need to go click it. And the next thing you need to do is just go click the top side here, the keyboards, and then you just need to go click add new keyboards and just simply type Korean and go click it. And now you just need to pick either you want to have the 10 key or standard. I will let you do standard because it can help make you work much more easier, and just go click done. And now you just need to go back into your home and you can open the Apple Notes on your phone. Create the new one and start to typing the Korean language by changing this keyboard first by go click this globe. Click it until you found the Korean language, and there you go. You can just start typing the Korean language. And whenever you're done, just go click done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it. Let's meet again into other tutorial.